Hello dear student. Today in Unit 4 Lesson 1 we are going to talk about going to for future plan. The use of going to, or when we use going to, we use be going to talk about something that we have decided or planned before. It means we are certain that something is going to happen in the future. We have some time expressions that we use them with going to. Today, tomorrow, soon, later, and next week or year. What are the forms of going to? We start from the positive form. At the beginning we have subject, and then we have verb to be, am, is, are. For example, we say I am, she, he, or it, we say is, and with these personal pronouns we, you, they, we say are. And then we have going to. After going to, we have the verb. Look at this example. I am going to buy a new car next year. Be careful, after going to, we have to use the base form of the verb without any suffix. We say buy. I am going to buy a new car next year. This is future plan. You planned before speaking. Another example, she is going to cook the dinner. Going to cook. Cook is the base form of the verb. Another example, they are going to travel to Germany. They are going to, after going to, we use the base form of the verb, which is travel to Germany. How can we negate these examples? Again, we have subject at the beginning, and then we have verb to be, but be careful, we add not to the verb to be's in order to make them the negative. And then we have going to. After going to, as we said, we have to use the base form of the verb. Look at this example. I am not going to visit my uncle on Friday. You can say, I'm going to visit my friend on Friday. I'm not going to visit. Visit is the base form of the verb. The second example, it isn't going to eat the honey soon. Eat is the base form. Another example, we are not going to go ice skating. Going to go. We use the base form of the verb, which is go. What about the question form? We move verb to be and put at the beginning or the initial of the sentence, and then we have subject, or we have these personal pronouns, and then we have going to. After going to, we have to use verb base, and be careful, at the end we have question mark. Look at these examples. Are you going to be a teacher? We put verb to be at the beginning, and then we have subject. Then we have going to. After going to, we have to use the base form of the verb. We say be a teacher. Another example, is she going to graduate in July? We say graduate, not graduated or graduating or graduates. We say graduate, the base form of the verb. The last example, are they going to play basketball tomorrow? And also we have another form of question. We use WH question words. We put WH question word at the beginning before verb to be, and then we have subject, and then going to. At the end we have the verb base. We have examples. Where are you going to spend your weekend? Here we have where, which is WH question word, and then we have verb to be, which is are, and then subject, and then going to. After going to, we have the verb base. Another example, who is going to speak at the lesson? Who is going to speak at the lesson. The summary, what did we learn? We is going to, for planned actions in the future, and this is the general rule of going to. We have subject and then we have verb to be is are and then going to. After going to we have the base form of the verb. We have example. This is the positive form. We say he's going to spend his holiday in London. The negative one, he is not going to spend his holiday in London. And the question form, is he going to spend his holiday in London? And this is the WH question word. We say, where is she going to spend his holiday? And finish. That's all. Thanks for watching and listening.